Why limit yourself to another special black edition when you can have a super exclusive limited one? The 2019 Infiniti QX60 and QX80 limited editions are rolling into the New York Auto Show to make a sibling grand debut. We kicked off the 2019 model year with the recent arrival of the all-new Infiniti QX50 premium crossover, and now we're following it up with the most refined and luxurious expressions of the QX60 and QX80 yet, said Randy Parker, Infiniti VP, in a late-breaking statement. We know that luxury buyers are among the most discerning consumers, and with these two new models, we are delivering exactly what they eat after vehicles that truly make a statement while offering an empowered driving experience. A stock 3.5-liter V6 engine provides 295 horsepower and 270 lb-ft of torque for the QX60 Limited. Outside, the new package offers a dark chrome front grille, fog lamp finishers, dark roof rails, crossbars, and special rear hatch emblem. It all rolls on 20-inch dark aluminum alloy wheels and 235/55 R20 all-season tires. Inside gets a leather-wrapped airbag cover on the steering wheel, dark silver wood accents, black headliner and pillars, and stone-colored leather seats with plenty of contrast stitching and quilting for all three rows. Need more power and space? The limited version of the QX80 offers a standard 5.6-liter V8 engine that delivers 400 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. The V8 is mated to a 7-speed automatic transmission with 4WD. Infiniti Limited hauler features stainless steel running boards, satin chrome trim, roof rails and crossbars, bumper treatments, and a fancy rear hatch emblem. It rolls on dark machine-finished 22-inch forged aluminum alloy wheels. Inside, the QX80 Limited is available with 7-passenger seating and sports a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, matte silver open-pore ashwood trim, black ultra-suit headliner and pillars, leather grab handles, satin chrome interior door handle trim, and radiant illuminated kick plates. The 2019 QX60 Limited arrives at dealers in the spring, followed by the QX80 Limited in the summer. Infiniti says that pricing will be announced at that time.